Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated cameras of the year, the Sony A7V. The mirrorless world is buzzing with excitement as leaks and early reviews hint at 8K video recording, AI-powered autofocus, and some absolutely insane upgrades that could make the A7V Sony's most advanced hybrid camera yet. Following in the footsteps of the popular A7 IV, the upcoming A7V promises next-gen image quality, smarter autofocus, better low-light performance, and game-changing features for both photographers and filmmakers, all in a compact, full-frame mirrorless body. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the A7V. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. From its rumored new sensor and refined design, to its upgraded stabilization, cinematic video specs, and expected price. Whether you're a wedding photographer, a filmmaker, or a content creator, this could be the ultimate all-rounder you've been waiting for. So, grab your coffee and stick around, because the Sony A7V might just change the hybrid camera game, and we're covering all the leaks, specs, and early impressions right now. The mirrorless camera world is buzzing with excitement as rumors and leaks about the Sony A7V continue to surface, hinting at what could be Sony's most advanced hybrid camera to date. Following in the footsteps of the highly successful A7 IV, the upcoming A7V is expected to raise the bar for both photographers and videographers by introducing next-generation features that rival flagship cinema cameras, all packed into a compact full-frame mirrorless body. From 8K video recording to AI-driven autofocus and a host of insane upgrades, the A7V looks set to redefine what we expect from a professional hybrid camera. In this video, we'll go over everything we know so far about the Sony A7V, its rumored specs, design changes, autofocus improvements, sensor upgrades, video capabilities, connectivity, and price expectations. Whether you're a filmmaker, a wedding photographer, or a content creator searching for the perfect all-rounder, the A7V promises to be one of the most exciting releases in Sony's alpha lineup. Leaked images and CAD renders suggest that the Sony A7V retains the classic A7 series form factor, robust, weather-sealed, and ergonomic. However, Sony is rumored to have refined the grip for more comfortable handling, especially with heavier G master lenses. The button layout has also reportedly been tweaked for a more intuitive shooting experience, with improved tactile dials and a slightly repositioned record button for easier access during video shoots. The camera body is expected to use magnesium alloy construction for durability while remaining lightweight for travel and on-the-go shooting. A redesigned 3.2-inch fully articulating touchscreen LCD with higher brightness and resolution will improve visibility during outdoor shoots, while the upgraded 9.44mm OLED electronic viewfinder (EVF) is said to offer a faster refresh rate for lag-free previews. At the heart of the A7V lies one of its most anticipated upgrades, a brand new 36MP full-frame stacked BSI CMOS sensor, leaks very slightly on the exact resolution. This next-gen sensor is designed to deliver sharper still images, better low-light performance, and richer colors than its predecessor. What's especially exciting is the sensor's faster readout speeds, which will help reduce rolling shutter during video capture and high-speed photography. The A7V is also rumored to deliver up to 15+ stops of dynamic range, putting it on par with Sony's flagship cinema cameras. Combined with the latest Bion's XR image processor, this new sensor promises blistering fast performance, superior noise control, and higher burst shooting speeds for sports and wildlife photographers. One of the headline features of the Sony A7V is its AI-powered real-time autofocus system. Borrowing technology from the Sony A9 III and FX6 II, the A7 vs new AF engine is expected to recognize not just human eyes and faces but also animals, birds, cars, planes, and even insects. The upgraded deep learning AI subject recognition allows for more reliable tracking in complex scenes and even in low-light environments down to -6 electron volts. For videographers, this means smoother, cinematic focus transitions with less hunting and more accurate subject tracking, even during fast-paced movement. Additionally, the rumored focus breathing compensation will minimize framing shifts when pulling focus, making it an essential tool for filmmakers who prioritize professional-grade results straight out of the camera. Perhaps the most talked about upgrade is the A7 vs rumored 8K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, oversampled from the full width of the sensor for maximum detail. For most creators, 6.2K and 4K recording at higher frame rates, up to 120 frames per second in 4K, will be just as exciting, enabling buttery smooth slow-motion footage. The camera is expected to support 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, 16-bit RAW output over HDMI, and advanced picture profiles including S-Cinetone and S-Log3, giving filmmakers more flexibility during color grading. Sony has reportedly improved the dual native ISO system for cleaner footage in both bright and dim conditions, as well as enhanced the camera's heat management system to prevent overheating during extended high-resolution recording sessions. Thanks to the new stacked BSI sensor, the Sony A7V is expected to deliver outstanding low-light performance with a native ISO range of 100 to 51,200, expandable up to ISO 409,600. Noise reduction has been significantly improved for higher ISOs, making this camera an excellent choice for wedding photographers, event videographers, and astrophotographers who often shoot in challenging lighting conditions. The wider dynamic range also helps preserve shadow and highlight details, ensuring clean, detailed images even in the most difficult lighting environments. For handheld shooters, the A7V is rumored to feature 5-axis IBIS with up to 8 stops of compensation, a step up from its predecessor. Sony's active mode stabilization for video will help reduce jitters during handheld or run-and-gun filmmaking, eliminating the need for a gimbal in many scenarios. When combined with Sony's OSS-equipped G master lenses, this hybrid stabilization system is expected to deliver exceptionally smooth, stable footage, a massive benefit for vloggers, travel creators, and documentary filmmakers. In today's fast-paced content creation world, connectivity is key. The Sony A7V is rumored to include dual CF Express Type A/SD UHS-2 card slots, enabling high-speed recording and simultaneous backups for peace of mind. On the wireless front, we can expect Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, along with USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 support for direct-to-SSD recording, a highly requested feature by professional filmmakers who want to streamline their workflows. The A7V is also expected to integrate seamlessly with the Sony Creators app, offering remote control, live preview, automatic cloud backup, and instant sharing of content to social media platforms. Access during video shoots. The camera body is expected to use magnesium alloy construction for durability while remaining lightweight for travel and on-the-go shooting. A redesigned 3.2-inch fully articulating touchscreen LCD with higher brightness and resolution will improve visibility during outdoor shoots, while the upgraded 9.44mm OLED electronic viewfinder, EVF, is said to offer a faster refresh rate for lag-free previews. At the heart of the A7V lies one of its most anticipated upgrades, a brand new 36MP full-frame stacked BSI CMOS sensor, leaks very slightly on the exact resolution. This next-gen sensor is designed to deliver sharper still images, better low-light performance, and richer colors than its predecessor. What's especially exciting is the sensor's faster readout speeds, which will help reduce rolling shutter during video capture and high-speed photography. The A7V is also rumored to deliver up to 15+ stops of dynamic range, putting it on par with